Welcome back to NAZ Today, and happy Monday, everyone. My name is Michaela Richardson, and I will be your student forecaster on this Monday afternoon. Now, starting off strong, let's take a look at our Flagstaff currently. Now, we do have that temperature outside at about 48 degrees with mostly cloudy skies that we will be seeing across the Arizona region today, with a relative humidity of 46% and those southwest winds at about 16 miles per hour. Now, with those 16-mile-per-hour winds, we will be having a wind advisory in effect until tomorrow night at about 8 p.m. Now, speaking of wind, you can see that cloud coverage all across the state today, and you can see only a little bit of the state is visible here in the northeastern region. Now, this cloud coverage will be continuing for the next couple days, but we will be able to see some sunny skies starting on Wednesday. Looking at our daily almanac today, we had that high of 52 degrees, so we're finally coming down from that a little bit. Have that low of 31 degrees, which is above our average of 47 as our high and 21 as our low, respectively. And we do have that record low set at that really cold winter in 1977 at -7 degrees. Boy, am I lucky that it's not 1977. Now, that precipitation from yesterday, we're noticing a pattern. We did not have any yesterday, but we do have a chance of that tomorrow, so keep an eye out for that later in the broadcast. Now, since January 1st, we've been able to accumulate 5.58 inches, which is staying on par with the averages that we were getting last year, not necessarily that average of 3.96 inches that we have been seeing. We do have that sunset tonight at 6:19 p.m. Taking a look at the high temperatures across northern Arizona for today, we do have that high of 64 in Page, a high of 60 in the Grand Canyon, a really warm high of 68 in Sedona, perfect spring weather if you ask me, and a high of 65 degrees in Kingman. So pretty warm temperatures all around. In Flagstaff, we seem to be the only ones hanging on to those winter temperatures. Now, speaking of Flagstaff and winter temperatures, we do have a chance of rain and snow tonight, about 50%, so make sure you guys bring a jacket, bring gloves, make sure you are driving safely in the sleet and the snow, and we will have that forecast low of 31 degrees that I mentioned earlier. Discussing tomorrow a little bit more, we do have that forecast high at about 46 degrees. So whatever you're feeling right now outside is about how it's going to be tomorrow. So really judge what you're going to be wearing based off of that. We do have that chance of showers tomorrow, but that's stuck to the morning. So after 10 a.m., those showers will be stopping and those sunny skies will be coming back into Flagstaff. Now, that sunrise will be at 6:59 a.m. So people who like to sleep in, I would suggest breaking out those blackout curtains because that sun is going to be coming for you guys pretty early tomorrow. Bringing it back to the region of Arizona, we can see that forecast temperatures of Kingman as a high of 62 and a low of 36 tomorrow. Sedona, you're cooling down a little bit with that high of 59 and a low of 40. Payson, a high of 57 and a low of 35, and Page, a high of 60 and a low of 33 degrees. So we will be hanging on to those winter temperatures that we're getting from that storm that we'll be seeing tonight. Bringing it back to Flagstaff once more, we do have that Flagstaff extended for you. We have that high of 46 and low of 15 like I mentioned earlier, but good news, we do have Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday as sunny skies. You can see that temperatures increasing steadily from Wednesday at 49 as your high to Friday at 54 as your high. However, we will be dipping back down to about 50 degrees on Saturday, and that wind is going to be coming back for us as well. We will have a 20% chance of showers that day with that low of 21, so I would just keep an eye out for that after enjoying our couple days of sun. Now, that is all I have for you guys for today, but make sure you stay up to date on news, weather, and sports on NAZ Today, and we will see you guys on Wednesday for our brand new, very first show for the NAZ Today semester, and stay tuned for weather for tomorrow. I'll see you guys then.